Are you overwhelmed with organizing your web pages? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can add a sense of magic to every single web page on your website. Hi, I'm Johnny. Have you ever been to a website that had a great homepage, but all the other pages inside of it fell flat? Or worse, you ever visited a website just lacked organization altogether? At Zillas, we want to ensure that every page on our clients' websites are set up for success. And we implement what we call our magic formula to ensure that we outline and organize a clear purpose for each page on that website. And if you stay tuned to the end of this video, I'll include a free template that you can implement right away for your business to ensure that every page on your website is set up for success. So what exactly is this magic formula? Well, the first thing you need to do is identify the top pages that you need to organize for your website. In a previous episode of ZillaCast, we talked about identifying your website's core, so that would be a first step that you'd need to do. Once you've identified those core pages, then we'd go through setting up what's known as a PPD, a page purpose document for each of these pages. Inside this PPD, we really identify what a web page needs to say, see, and feel in order for that user to take that specific action needed on that page. And a PPD is really important because it helps you align central goals for your team and the end stakeholders to make sure that we're all on the same page. So the first stage of the PPD is say, meaning what do we need to say to that visitor to help inform them or educate them of the purpose of this page. So what I want to do is give you a real-life example of Blockbuster's escape room, which is one of our clients. And if we just look at their rooms page and we focus on the say component, we might outline things like, how much does this cost? How many people does this room hold? How difficult is this room? How long does it take to finish? Information that we can easily outline and organize per page in order for us to make sure that we're aligning centrally towards what that visitor might be looking for. Additionally, as a bonus, you might want to outline any particular keywords or search engine phrases that are important to be ranking for this particular page. The second area of your PPD is see, meaning what does the visitor need to see on this particular page? And this really does act as a visual inventory for you to at least outline any particular graphics or elements or assets that you know that are going to be needed on this particular page. So if we look at that Blockbuster's escape rooms page again, we might be using vivid imagery of what do the rooms actually look like? High-end graphics. How do we create a theme and overall mood for the brand? Really key information needed to be able to show that visitor to really create that overall immersive experience. So again, the see component of your PPD is really what does the visitor need to actually see on that page. So the third area of your PPD is feel, meaning what do we want that visitor to feel when they visit this web page? And if you think about a feeling, it's really a subconscious emotional reaction to something. So if we look at Blockbuster's escape room, we want to really create a sense of mystery and wonder and really think about an immersive experience that they want to create and have that feeling for that brand to be recognized and bridged with that consumer. So if we really think about the feeling, it acts as the tipping point for the visitor to actually take that final action because they've been able to establish a sense of trust and emotion needed to drive that decision. And the fourth area of your PPD is your action. Every page on your website should have an intended, clear call to action that we want that visitor to take. And if we look at the Blockbuster's escape room, that end action is to book a room. That CTA, or that call to action, should be obvious. And typically it needs to be supported by your say, see, and feel. But in your PPD document, your action is really the final goal that we want that visitor to take on that particular page. So why exactly is this a magic formula? Well, first off, it creates a level of organization for every single page on your website to ensure that everything is aligned together. And it's magic because, well, it works. We've consistently been able to deliver astronomical results for our clients time and time again by implementing this methodology. We want to ensure that success is outlined and measured for each and every page on your website, not just your homepage. Are you interested in accessing our free PPD template so that way you can better organize all the pages on your website? Well, if you want, you can visit our blog, designzillas.com/blog, or send me an email, johnny@designzillas.com. We'll make sure this gets to your inbox right away. It's our goal to make the web a better place, and we want to ensure that every website has the opportunity to be able to structure and organize every page to serve a purpose. So hopefully this was a resourceful tool for you, and we look forward to hearing your feedback. Stay tuned to the next episode of ZillaCast. Thanks for listening.